and is the third biggest selling non-heavyweight fight in pay-per-view history. Based on a pay-per-view cost of about 80 million, it was estimated that Pacquiao could cash in on share of at least $15 million. With a purse of 10 million, Pacquiao could win up a gross of $25 million after the final accounting is done. So, hindi pa po pala natatapos yung accounting nito. This year alone, Pacquiao at the fight attracted a grand total of close to 2 million pay-per-view hits. The Marcus rematch pulled in 405,000 while Diaz massacred about 250,000. Pacquiao earned 10 million from these two outings, and adding his stake from De La Hoya's fight this year could be close to 35 million, or equivalent to 1,750,000,000 pesos. As the first Filipino billionaire athlete, Pacquiao is in the class of his own. No other Filipino in sport had reaped more honor for the country. It's no wonder that the whole world has taken notice of Pacquiao's phenomenal rise to fame. He is an inspiration to everyone, regardless of creed, color, and class. He is David the Goliath Slayer, the underdog who defies the odds with incredible consistency at katulayan po ito, partner, sa kasikatan niya. Napakaraming mga superstar sa NBA nung po nasa Beijing Olympics siya, nagpakuha po ng litrato katabi si Manny Pacquiao, kabilang po dito si Kobe Bryant, nandiyan din po si Chris Bosh, nandiyan si LeBron James, si Dwayne Wade, yung lahat po na yan, si Carmelo Anthony. Para kasi yan na partner na makasama sa lasawan si Manny Pacquiao. Ganyan po kasikat ang athlete of the year, Manny the Pacman Pacquiao, Filipino partner.
Totoo po yun. At by the way, maiba ho tayo. I would like to send my sincerest gratitude and my million thanks to Mr. Nonito Donaire for sending in by way of Christmas gift to your humble self a pair of gloves, 4 pieces po ito, with his dedication and signature or autograph. Thank you very much, Mr. Champ Nonito Donaire, and hoping that you will follow the footsteps of our ring icon Manny Pacquiao. I think you can do it because you have all the components to do it. And on March 15, we will be supporting you if that fight pushes through in Araneta Coliseum together with Brian Biloria, Ulysses Solis, and you yourself will be fighting sino ho ba itong mga kalaban nyo nito? Fernando Montiel, yung WBO champion. Thank you very much, Champ, for this, you humbled myself, mga Edwin. Thank you so much, Mr. Nonito Donaire, our champion also, Filipino, mga Edwin.
Partner, medyo nagpasapunta sa oras, parting word at holiday message po natin sa ating mga listeners, partner.
Pero mamaya nga po yata, meron tayo mga Edwin.
Basketball po mga partner mamaya at ang maglalaban po dito ano ito nakalagay dito, sandali naman po at parang may games today partner, Araneta Coliseum 5:30 Ginebra versus Reign of Saint partner.
Hapon po yan mga Edwin. Nadalo ang Ginebra mga Edwin.
Partner at ano ba itong GMP mukhang may PBA tatanong natin Mike, may PBA ba tayo mamaya? Wala po partner, tuloy po tayo.
Yun po, so yung atin nung ika ngay holiday message baka mamaya na ho mga Edwin natin tipidin, marami ho tayo di-discuss yun nung katayuan ni Oscar de la Hoya, yung mga nararamdaman po niya, yung mga sinasabi ni Richard Schaefer tungkol sa kanya at marami pa akong mga tungkol sa boxing at siyempre yung mga messages po ng ating mga katropa dito mga Edwin. So hanggang mamaya mga Edwin.
Partner, sa ngalan po na partner, sa ngalan po na natagmamahal sa palakasan, mabuhay po kayong lahat, wala po tayong pikulan, sport lang.
Sport lang! Sport lang! Kaliwat ka ng mga balita at issue. Bibigyan ng masinsinang pansin. Sport lang! Sport lang!
To dream the impossible dream.
Sport lang!
To fight the unbeatable force.
Sport
To
lang!
bear with unbearable sorrow. To run where the brave dare not go.
Sport lang! Sport lang! Sport lang! Sport lang!
Dito sa pitong gatang sa tabi ng buyan, mga kasaysayan na kung nalalaman. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan lang. Yun walang labis, walang kulang. May isang munting tindahan sa bukaran ng buyan at sa kanto ng kalye pitong gatang. Dito ay nagkukumpukan ang ilang bilyong tambay na walang hanap buhay kundi ganyan. Ito ay hindi